Hello viewers, welcome back to Hungry Fusion. Today we are going to make a 5 minutes easy payasam recipe in Instant Pot. This recipe is totally hassle free and it can be done so easily. With minimal ingredients, such a tasty and flavorful payasam can be made. Let's jump into the making. Turn on the saute mode in Instant Pot. Once the pot is hot, add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Now we are going to fry the cashews first. I have taken 10 cashews which is broken. You can also add raisins if you like in the payasam. I am going to add only cashews today. Fry the cashews until it is slightly browned. If you want to add the raisins, transfer the cashews and then add the raisins separately. Make sure it is not burnt. Transfer the cashews into a bowl. In the remaining ghee, we are going to fry the vermicelli. I have taken about 2 tablespoons of vermicelli. I am going to make payasam for just 2 to 3 people today. Fry it until it is slightly browned. You can double or triple this recipe based on your need. Now you can see the vermicelli is slightly toasted. Let's add 2 cups of whole milk. Whole milk is best suited for the payasam recipe. You can also use 1% or 2% milk for this. But with the whole milk, you'll get the luscious creamy payasam in the end. Give it a good mix. Make sure nothing sticks at the bottom. Otherwise, it is going to be burnt when we pressure cook it. If you want to add white sugar, you can add it at this stage. I am going to use Jaggery today, so I am skipping it. Press cancel and switch to pressure cook mode. Let's pressure cook in high pressure for about 5 minutes. Make sure to cover the lid and keep the knob in the sealing position. After 5 minutes, let the pressure subside naturally. Do not open it or release the pressure. Once the pressure valve is down, open the lid. And you can see the vermicelli is perfectly cooked. Now we can switch on to the saute mode. You can see that the milk has thickened now. Give it a good mix until everything is well combined. Now let's prepare the jaggery syrup. I have used 1/4 cup jaggery added to 2 tablespoons of water. Just heat it until the jaggery is completely dissolved. No need of any consistency here. Meanwhile, the payasam is boiling now. Let's add half a teaspoon of elaichi or cardamom powder. Adjust the flavoring according to your taste. Press the cancel button to turn off the Instant Pot. I am going to add the jaggery syrup now. Jaggery may curdle the milk, so add it once the heat is off. Filter the jaggery to remove the impurities. Give it a good mix. You can add any preferred sweetener of choice. Now let's add the fried cashews we have prepared earlier. The payasam is almost done. You can see the creamy texture of the payasam here. We love a little bit of saffron flavor in our payasam. So I'm just adding a generous pinch of it at the last. You can also soak it before starting the recipe and add it at the last. I'm going to rest it for some time, so I'm adding it now. If you haven't tried it yet, just try it once and trust me, you are going to love it. I have chilled the payasam and now you can see the texture of it. It has thickened still more. I am transferring into a serving bowl. This recipe yields about 2.5 cups of payasam. I am adding a few chopped pistachios now. This is optional. Enjoy this amazing recipe with your family and comment your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like this video. I love making all the recipes healthier for my family. Check out the description for more healthier sweets and cake recipes. Don't forget to share it with your friends too.